Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the IMEI number of your SIM on your iPhone. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just click on the settings icon. So just open the settings and here scroll down a little and then open the general settings. Click on general and then click on about here, and here you will be able to see all the information related to your iPhone. When you scroll down a little, you will also see this section where it says physical SIM, and here you will be able to see the IMEI number. If you are using multiple SIMs, then you will also see the currently used SIMs IMEI number in the available SIM section. So this is how you can view the IMEI number of your SIM on your iPhone. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.